Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.7, Problem 27. This is Section 1.7, Problem 27. It says find the quotient of 277 and 5. So if you have a calculator handy, the way you would want to enter that in your calculator is 277 divided by 5 equals. The calculator will get you the answer right away. Now, if you don't have a calculator, you'll have to do this problem by hand, which means you will do the division problem. 5 goes into 277 how many times? So as you start, the 2 isn't big enough. You can't fit 5 into a 2. So you go one more digit. 5 will fit into 27. How many times? Well, it'll go in 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. And I will subtract 27 minus 25. That gives me a 2. 2 is a good answer. It's smaller than 5. So I go over one digit to the right, which is a 7. I bring that 7 down next to the 2 that I got as an answer from my subtraction. The 2 with the 7 next to it becomes a 27. And then again, I say how many times will 5 fit into 27? It will fit in 5 times. And again, I do 5 times 5, and again, I get an answer of 25. And I do the same subtraction again. 27 minus 25 is 2. But at this point now, there is no one more digit to the right. So that's as far as it goes. I end with that 2, which is the remainder. So the answer is 55 with a remainder of 2.